Welcome, team. In this video, we'll introduce you to MongoDB Atlas, our developer data platform, and how it makes working with data easy for building a wide variety of applications. We'll also cover the components of the platform that address common requirements of modern applications. These components help to reduce the additional technologies you'll need for a project, simplifying the development process. Let's begin by reviewing MongoDB Atlas. Atlas is our comprehensive developer data platform. At its core is the Atlas database, our database as a service. This means that when you're using Atlas, you won't need to manage MongoDB yourself. Instead, Atlas will manage the database for you and handle all of the lifecycle details behind the scenes. When using Atlas, your database deployments have built-in replication, or what MongoDB refers to as a replica set. This means that data is stored on more than one server, which is a core tenet of MongoDB. This ensures data redundancy and that the data will be available even in the event that the server fails. In Atlas, there are two types of database deployments: serverless instances and clusters. A serverless instance scales on demand and only charges you for the resources that you use. These are a great option for applications that have highly variable or sparse workloads. This is a simpler choice if you don't know what hardware you'll need or if you want to use a serverless architecture in general. A cluster is several MongoDB servers working together. There are two cluster options: shared and dedicated. Shared clusters are smaller and include a free forever tier. The free tier option is a great way to get started with Atlas. It has over 100,000 new deployments per month, so rest assured that if you choose this option, you can run your small projects on it indefinitely. Finally, dedicated clusters are larger, dedicated resources that can be customized for your specific needs. There are options for both low and high traffic applications that have cluster autoscaling enabled by default, as well as enhanced security features. This is the preferred choice for production workloads. When deploying your cluster on Atlas, you can choose from major public cloud providers including AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure in over 100 geographic regions. You can deploy globally across multiple regions and even multiple clouds. As your needs change, so can your cluster. You always have the option to change scaling tiers, regions, or cloud providers. Atlas will make all of these changes for you without any downtime. Atlas includes operational insights and backups with point-in-time restoration. It also has capabilities for later stages of the development lifecycle, such as built-in data tiering with Online Archive. You can learn more about Online Archive in one of our advanced courses when you're ready. You can also manage everything from the command line with the Atlas CLI or the Administration API. MongoDB Atlas is more than just a database as a service. It's a comprehensive developer data platform. It provides an integrated suite of products and services that developers can use to build applications faster than ever before. Let's quickly discuss some of the other services available in Atlas. Atlas Search enables you to build rich search experiences on top of your data in the cloud. There's no need for a separate search engine. You can access everything from MongoDB's aggregation query interface simply by using the search operator. If you're curious about Atlas Search and want to try it out, the Atlas Search Playground lets you configure and run a search query without actually setting up an index or a collection. While Atlas Search allows for keyword search based on text and synonym mappings, it's important to remember that MongoDB is also a powerful vector database. Atlas Vector Search lets you build intelligent applications powered by generative AI and semantic search based on the semantic meaning captured in vectors. Because of the power and flexibility of the document model, there's no need for a separate vector database. You can store vector embeddings alongside your other data in collections in an Atlas cluster. Then, you can seamlessly index that vector data to perform semantic search with the vector search aggregation stage. Atlas Stream Processing is a MongoDB native way to process streaming data, enabling you to unify all of the data required to power your applications. With Atlas Stream Processing, you can use the MongoDB aggregation framework to process the rich and complex data found in streaming platforms such as Apache Kafka. This unlocks new, powerful ways to continuously process streaming data and materialize results into Atlas, or back into the streaming platform for consumption by other systems. Atlas Edge Server is a MongoDB instance with a sync server that can be deployed on local or remote infrastructure. It can enable real-time sync, conflict resolution, and disconnect tolerance. This helps to ensure that applications and devices function seamlessly, even when experiencing connectivity issues. This feature is great for preventing disruptions to mission-critical operations. Atlas Device Sync allows you to keep data in sync between the cloud and mobile devices or the edge. This means you can deliver rich, always-on experiences anywhere. Atlas Data Lake lets you automatically extract data from Atlas databases to your own low-cost, fully managed data lake environment. Our data lake uses a format that is optimized for analytical queries. Atlas Data Federation allows you to seamlessly query, transform, aggregate, and write data from Atlas databases, Atlas data lakes, or your own cloud object storage environments. Atlas Charts is a built-in data visualization tool. It allows you to easily create, share, and embed rich dashboards built from your data in the cloud. Finally, Atlas App Services offers a set of capabilities that allow you to build faster. It includes a data API that enables you to read and write data in Atlas with standard HTTPS requests. It also includes a GraphQL API, functions, and triggers to enable you to easily create applications with event-driven architectures. Our engineers work hard to build MongoDB Atlas, our developer data platform, with MongoDB's mission in mind, to empower innovators to create, transform, and disrupt industries by unleashing the power of software and data. We look forward to seeing what you build with our developer data platform.